Hello students, welcome to KR classes. Today we are going to do exercise 7.3 of integration class 12 term 2, and for that you must learn these formulas which are mentioned here. You can learn this. So let's begin exercise 7.3 without wasting time. Okay.
Question number first. I is equal to sine square 2x plus 5. Okay, and we have sine square formula, sine square x formula. I told you that is 1 minus cos 2x. X is here 2x plus 5. Okay, 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 and dx. Now integration will distribute with each 1 by 2 taken common, and here integration of we will get here 1 minus cos 2 to the 4, 4x plus 2 5 ja 10. Okay, and then dx. And as we know that integration of 1 will become x, and cos x integration is minus sin x or sin x, but cos x integration is sin x. So we will get here minus sin, but we know that we have to use here chain rule also, because here x is not there. Here in place of x 4x plus 10 is there. Okay, so we will differentiate 4x plus 10 and then plus c, and d by dx of 4x plus 10 is equals to what? D by dx of 4x plus 10 will be 10 differentiation is 0 and x differentiation is 1. Okay, 4, here we will get sine 4x plus 10 plus c. Okay, this is our required answer. Next question, question number 2. I is equal to sine 3x cos 4x dx. Okay, here we will multiply and divide by 2. It is forming the formula 2 sine a cos b. Okay, so 1 by 2 here, and 2 sine a cos b formula is sine a plus b, sine a plus b, and plus sine a minus b. Okay students, now sine first term will become sine 7x, and second term will become plus sine 3x minus 4x minus x. Now sine minus x formula is, in sine negative sign comes outside, 7 sine 7x minus sine x dx. Okay, so now we can do here I equal to 1 by 2, and sin x differentiation is integration, sorry, sin x integration is minus cos x. So minus cos, here x is in place of x, 7x is there, so we will differentiate downside 7x, and here minus cos x. Okay, and we will get answer 7x differentiation is 7, so we will get minus cos 7x upon 2 7 ja 14, minus minus plus cos x plus c. So this is our required answer. Next question, question number 3. I is equal to cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x dx. Here we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So it is forming formula 2 cos A cos B formula, and 2 cos A cos B formula is cos A plus B, so cos 2x plus 4x, and plus cos 2x minus 4x, and here cos 6x dx. Okay students, now this cos 2x 4x 2x plus 4x will become cos 6x, and cos 6x multiplied by cos 6x we will get cos square 6x. Okay, now here 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, and we will get here cos 6x and cos minus 2x. Okay, and we will get 1 by 2 integration of cos square 6x, sorry, and cos square x formula is 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x. So cos 2x we will get cos 2 into 6x upon 2, and here plus cos 6x, and cos minus x is plus cos x. Okay, so we will get cos 2x here dx. Now what we will do, we will distribute this 1 by 2 to both. We will get here 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus cos 12x, okay, dx, and this 1 by 2 will go there, and integration of cos 6x cos 2x. Now what we will do students, we will multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so now we are getting I equal to, and as you know, one integration is x, so we will get x by 4, and cos integration is what, sine differentiation is cos x, cos integration will give us sine x. Okay, so sine 12x, but here x is not there, we have 12x, so 12 will come in denominator, so 4 multiplied by 12. Okay, and here 1 by 4 is there, so it will become 1 by 4, and it will become integration of what, 2 cos A cos B formula is, again we have to apply, it will become cos A plus B. A plus B is 6x plus 2x 8x, and plus 6x minus 2x 4x dx, plus c will come, so our final answer will be x by 4 plus sine 12x upon 4 to the 8 48, and cos x integration is sine x, so sine 8x upon 8 plus cos 4 sine 4x, sorry, sine 4x upon 4 plus c. Then we can multiply 1 by 4 also inside, so our complete answer will be sine 12x by 8 48, and plus 4 8 is 32 sine 8x plus sine 4x by 4 4 is 16, then plus c. Okay, this is our answer. Next question is question number 4. I is equal to sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, and you must remember sine cube formula. Sine cube formula is 3 sine x 3 sine 2x plus 1 and minus sine 3x upon 4 dx. Okay, So 3 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 integration will be minus cos 2x plus 1, and in downside differentiation of 2x plus 1. Okay, sin x integration is cos x or minus cos x, so minus cos 3 to the 6x plus 1 upon 4 multiplied by d by dx of 6x plus 1 plus c. Okay, so our final answer will be minus 3 cos 2x plus 1 upon 4 to the 8. Okay, here 2x plus 1 differentiation will be 2 into 4 8, and here minus minus will become plus, so our answer will come 6 cos 6x plus 1, and 6x plus 1 differentiation is 6 4 ja 24 plus c. So this is our required answer. Okay, next question is question number 4. I is equal to sine cube. Sine cube we will write here sine square 2x plus 1 multiplied by 1 sine 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, so sine square is 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1, and sine here 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, now put cos 2x plus 1 equal to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dt by dx you will get minus sine 2x plus 1, and 2x plus 1 differentiation is 2. Okay, so we will get sine 2x plus 1 dx equal to minus dt by 2. So this value you have to put in this first equation. Sine 2x plus 1 dx is equal to minus dt by 2. So I will be equal to minus 1 by 2 outside, and sine 2x plus 1 dx is dt. Okay, so this we can do here. First equation we can take this sine 2x plus 1 dx is dt, so 1 minus, and cos 2x plus 1 is t, so this integration will become 1 minus t square dt. So our answer will be one integration is what, t, and t square integration is t cube upon 3 plus c, and c value is not t value we will put here cos 2x plus 1 minus cos cube 2x plus 1 upon 2 plus c. Okay, and you can multiply inside this 1 by 2 also to get complete answer. Minus cos 2x plus 1 upon 2 minus minus plus cos cube 2x plus 1 upon 2 plus c. This is our final answer. Next question is question number 5. We will do it fast. I is equal to cos cube x, and sin cube x I am writing sin square x multiplied by sin x dx. Okay, now one step more we have to do. Cos cube x, sin square x we can write minus cos square x sin x dx. Okay, so now this will be our first equation, and we can take cos x equal to t. If we will take cos x equal to t, so differentiate both sides with respect to x, so you will get cos x differentiation is minus sin t. Okay, so sin t, not sorry, sin x. Okay, sin x dx value will be now minus dt. So sin x dx value, now you can put minus dt. So I will be now, cos x is t, so it will be t cube, and 1 minus cos x is t, so 1 minus t square. Sin x dx is dt, so minus sign I am taking outside. So now I will be t cube, you can multiply inside, t cube minus t to the power 3 plus 2 5 dt. Okay, so our answer will be t cube integration is t to the power 4 upon 4 minus t to the power 5 plus 1 6 upon 6 plus c. Now you can put t value and your answer will be finished. T value is cos x, cos to the power 4x upon 4 minus cos to the power 6 upon 6x upon 6 plus c. This is our final answer. Question number 6, I is equal to sin 2x sin x sin 3x dx. Okay, now here multiply and divide by 2, and which is in divide will go outside, and 2 sin a sin b formula we will apply here. 2 sin a sin b formula is what? Its formula is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, 2x plus x. Okay, and here sin 3x dx, and cos 2x minus x is 2x minus x is x, so cos x, and sin 3x will multiply here, sin 3x cos x dx, and minus 1 by 2 here sin 3x and cos 2x plus x 3x again and dx. Now here you will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Here also multiply and divide by 2. So you will form the formula, one new formula formed, that 2 sin a cos b, and 2 sin a cos b formula is, 2 sin a cos b formula is what? Sin a plus b, 3x plus x 4x, and minus plus sign, then sin a minus b formula, 3x minus x 2x dx, and here 1 by 4 again, and again same formula, 3 plus 3 6 sin 6x, and plus sin 3x minus 3x 0 sin 0 degree dx, and we will get finally our answer is, sin 4x integration will be minus cos 4x, but by chain rule 1 more 4 will come downside. Okay, 1 by 4 we can write common with all, so minus cos 4x by 4, then sin 2x integration again minus cos 2x upon 2, and last sin 6x integration minus cos 6x, so minus cos 6x upon 6, then plus c. Okay, and at last our answer will be minus cos 4x by 4 minus cos 2x by 2, and minus minus plus cos 6x by 6. Okay, this minus minus will become plus, and this is our final answer. Next question, question number 7, I is equal to sin 8x, I will write first, and sin 4x after, and divide and multiply by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 outside, and it will form the formula to sin a sin b, and 2 sin a sin b formula is cos a minus b and plus or minus cos a plus b, 8x plus 4x and then dx. Okay, now cos 8x minus 4x is 4x, and cos 8x plus 4x is 8 plus 4 12x dx, and cos x integration is sin x, so we will get here sin 4x upon 4 minus cos integration is sin 12x upon 12 and plus c. So this is question number 8. I is equal to 1 minus cos x. Here students, we will apply cos 2x formula. If cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x, so cos x we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 sin square x by 2 dx. Okay, and downside we will use cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So according to this formula, we will get 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, and 1 will cancel here and here also, and this minus sign will become plus. So I will be equal to 2 sin square x by 2 and downside 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay, so we will get 2 to cancel, sin upon cos is 10 square x by 2 dx, and I will be equal to here sec square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, because 1 plus tan sec square x, 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x, so sec square x tan square x will be sec square x minus 1, and you know very well sec square x integration is tan x by 2. Okay, and by chain rule we will differentiate x by 2 and we will get 1 by 2 minus x plus c, and this 1 by 2 will become 2 upside, 2 will go upside, and we will get 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. So this is our answer. Question number 9, I is equal to cos x. So here we will use cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, so cos x will be cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay students, so downside we will use formula cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, so this 1 will cancel, and this cos square x by 2 will cut this cos square x by 2, and we will get half. Okay, and here 1 we will get, and this side cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 will become sin upon cos is tan square x by 2 dx. Then 1 integration will be x, so x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 will become sec square x by 2 minus 1, as we have done before, x by 2 and sec square x by 2 in, and here 1 by 2 will also multiply with this, and sec square x by 2 integration is tan x by 2 multiply by 2 by chain rule. Okay, and 1 integration is x, and minus plus x by 2 plus c. X by 2 plus x by 2 will become x, so final answer will be 2 to cancel, so minus tan x by 2 plus c. So this is our final answer. Question number 10, I is equal to sine to the power 4 x. Sine to the power 4x we will write sine square whole square, okay, dx, and sine square x value we will use this formula 1 minus cos x cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. Okay students, and 1 minus cos 2x whole square will be, we will open by a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square says that a square plus b square and then minus 2ab, minus 2 cos 2x, and 2 square is 4, and one integration will be here x by 4. Okay, one integration will be x, and cos square, students, we will again open by formula. Cos square formula is 1 plus cos 2x. So cos 2x will become 2 to the 4x upon 2 dx, and here minus 2 by 4 integration of cos 2x dx. So I will become here x by 4, and one integration is x, so we will get x by 4 to the 8, and here cos 4x integration will be what, sin x. So sin 4x upon 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32. Okay students, and here 2 to the 4, so minus 1 by 2 multiply by cos 2x integration is sin x, so sin 2x upon 2 plus c. So our final answer will be x by 4 plus x by 8 plus sin 4x upon 32 minus sin 2x by 2 to the 4 plus c. This is, after this students, we can add this x by 4 and this whole with will add, and we will get 3x by 8 by taking LCM, and here it will remain same, sin 4x upon 32, and here minus sin 2x upon 4 plus c. So this is our required answer. Next question is question number 11. I is equal to cos to the power 4 2x. I am writing here cos square 2x whole square. Okay students, now cos square formula is 1 plus cos 2x, and here is cos 2x. Cos square 2x will become 1 plus cos 2 into 2x 4x, cos 4x upon 2 whole square. Okay students, you got it. And now this 1 plus cos 4x whole square we will open by formula a plus b whole square. A square plus b square and plus 2ab, 2 cos 4x dx upon 2 to the 4. 1 by 4 I am taking outside. Okay, now one integration, this one integration will become x by 4, and here cos square 4x will become, by this formula it will become 1 plus cos 2x means 2 4 ja 8, 1 plus cos 8x upon 2. Okay students, dx, and then here we will get cos integration is sin 4x, sin 4x upon 4 will come downside. So here we will get x by 4, and one integration is again here x by 8. Okay, and cos integration is sin, so plus sin will come, sin 8x upon 4 to the 8, and one more 8 will come by chain rule, and here 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 8 sin x plus c, and x by 4 plus x by 8 will become, by taking LCM, 3x by 8 and plus sin 8x upon 8 8 is 64 plus sin x upon 8 plus c. This is our required answer. Question number 12. I is equal to sine square x. Okay, here we will use students formula sine 2x equal to 2 sine x cos x. So sine x we can write 2 sine x by 2 and cos x by 2 and whole square. And in denominator we will use cos 2x formula, that is 2 cos square x minus 1, this formula 1 plus, so cos x will become cos square 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, this minus 1 plus 1 will cancel each other, and upside you will get 4 outside and downside 2 outside, and sine square x by 2 cos square x by 2 dx upon here cos square x by 2. Okay, this will cut by this, and 2 2 ja 4, so I will become here 2. And sine square formula, students, we will use this 1 minus cos 2x, and x is here x by 2 upon 2. Okay, dx, and this 2 and this 2 will cancel each other, and this 2 will cancel each other. One integration is x, and cos x integration is sin x, and then integration constant. So this is our answer. Next question is question number 13. I is equal to cos 2x. Students, we will use there here this formula cos 2x. Cos 2x is cos 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, and this cos 2 alpha will become 2 cos square alpha minus 1 dx. Okay, and upon cos x minus cos alpha. Now 2 cos square x will remain as it is, and minus 1, and minus will go inside, and 2 cos minus 2 cos square alpha it will become, and minus minus plus 1. Okay, and upon cos x minus cos alpha dx, and here minus 1 plus 1 will cancel each other, and 2 you can take outside, and here cos square x minus cos square alpha we will get, and downside cos x minus cos alpha. And in next step, students, we will use a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula is a minus b and a plus b. Okay, and in downside we will get cos x minus cos alpha, and cos x minus cos alpha will cancel each other. Then students, here you know cos x integration is sin x, so 2 sin x. Okay, and cos alpha we will take outside because it is constant, integration of dx, then plus c will come at after this integration, when this integration will finish. So dx integration is x, so x cos alpha plus c. So this is our answer. Question number 14. I is equal to cos x minus sin x. So students, here we will use this formula 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. So in place of 1 we will write sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x, we can write 2 sin x cos x. Okay, this is another formula. 2 sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x 2 sin x cos x. Okay, students, and here in the numerator cos x minus sin x will remain as it is, and dx, and downside you can see a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is forming formula a plus b whole square. So we will get here cos x plus sin x, or sin x plus cos x, anything we can write, whole square, and here cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, now here in next step we will take cos x plus sin x equal to t, and differentiating both side with respect to x, we will get sign differentiation is differentiating both side with respect to t with respect to x, sorry. So sin x differentiation is cos x and cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Okay, now multiply, cross multiply, you will get cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. Okay, now this value you will put in this I, so you will get I equal to cos x minus sin x dx is dt, and cos x plus sin x is t, so it will become t square, or we can write t to the power minus 2 dt, and t to the power minus 2 dt integration is what? T to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 1 upon t value is cos x plus sin x, or you can write sin x plus cos x, okay, plus c. This is our final answer. Next question, question number 15. Here we will use students, here we will separate this tan cube x, we can write tan square 2x and tan 2x and sec 2x. Okay students, now we will use here formula, this formula, tan square x plus 1 equal to sec square x, and tan square x will be equal to sec square x minus 1. So tan square 2x is sec square 2x minus 1, and tan 2x sec 2x dx. Okay, now what will happen? Sec square 2x will multiply with tan 2x, and sec 2x I am writing first. Okay, sec 2x and sec square 2x tan 2x, and here minus sign sec 2x tan 2x dx. Okay, now at this what we will do, we will, in this integral we have to do substitution method. Okay, sec square 2x value we will take t, so sec 2x value is, sec square 2x will be under root t, we can write t to the power half. Okay, so this value we will later substitute in integral. So first this sec square 2x equal to t, you can differentiate both sides with respect to x, so you will get dt by dx, and here differentiation will be 2 sec 2x. Okay, and differentiation of sec 2x is sec 2x tan 2x. Okay, and here students, sec 2x tan 2x, and then we will differentiate 2x, and one more 2 will come here, so 2 to the 4, and sec square 2x tan 2x value will be equal to dx, also dx equal to dt by 4. Okay, so sec square tan 2x dx is equal to dt by 4, and sec 2x value is t to the power half, so our I will become finally t to the power half, and here dt by 4, 1 by 4 you can take outside, and minus sec 2x, sec x tan x integration is sec x. Okay, so sec 2x and upon differentiation of 2x is 2, so at last t to the power half integration will be t to the power half plus 1, that is 3 by 2, and downside 3 by 2, and minus here it will remain as it is, sec 2x plus 2 plus c. Now this 2 will cut this, and we will get 2, and 2 3 is 6, so downside 6, and t value is sec square 2x, so 2 will cancel each other, and we will get sec cube 2x minus sec 2x upon 2 plus c. This is our required answer. Next question, question number 16. I is equal to tan square x multiply by, I am distributing it, okay. I am separating tan square x into tan square x dx, and tan square x value from this formula is sec square x minus 1, sec square x minus 1 into tan square x dx, okay. Now it will multiply and we will get sec square x tan square x dx, and then here tan square x dx, and then in this integral you will take t equal to what, you will take tan x equal to t, tan x equal to t, and differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get dt by dx equal to sec square x d equal to dt by dx, and sec square x dx equal to dt, okay. And here you will use formula. So first integral became what, tan sec square x dx equal to dt, and tan square is t, so t square, tan x is t square dt, and tan square x, students, we will put sec square x minus 1, okay. And here t square integration will be t cube upon 3 minus sec square x dx integration is tan x, and 1 integration is x, and but here minus 1 is the minus sign is extra, so minus minus plus x plus c, and t value is tan x, so tan cube x upon 3 minus tan x plus x plus c. So this is our final answer. Next question, question number 17. I is equal to sine cube plus cos cube. So students, we will divide this sine cube x upon sine square x cos square x, okay, sine square x cos square x dx, and plus integration cos cube x upon sine square x cos square x dx, okay. Now here students, sine square x will cut, and here cos square x will cut by cos cube, and its power will become 1, and you know very well it will be sine x upon cos x, 1 upon cos x, we can write this way, and then plus here we will get, students, cos x upon sine x, and 1 upon sine x dx, and finally it will become sine upon cos is tan, and 1 upon cos is sec, so it is becoming sec x tan x dx, and here cos upon sine is cot x, so cot x, and 1 upon sine is cosec x dx, okay. And students, you know sec x tan x integration is sec x, and cot x cosec x integration is minus cosec x plus c. So this is our final answer. Next question is I equal to cos 2x. Students, cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Very fast we can do this question. This is very easy questions. 2 sine square x plus 2 sine square x, and you can see here 2 sine square x and minus 2 sine square x will cancel each other, okay, and we will get 1 upon cos square x. So 1 upon cos square x is what, sec square x, so sec square x dx we will get, and sec square x dx integration is tan x, so our answer will be tan x plus c. Next question, students, question number 19. Here students, we have to write 1 we can write sine square x plus cos square x. Everybody know this formula, 1 is equal to sine square x plus cos square x, right? And now sine x is here and cos cube x is also, so we will distribute this denominator with each term in the numerator. So sine square x upon sine x will cut, and we will get what, sine x upon, and cos we can write separately, into 1 upon cos square x dx. and cos square and cos cube x will cut, so we will get here 1 upon sin x cos x. Now you can multiply and divide by 2. Okay, and sin upon cos is tan x. Okay, sin upon cos is tan x, and 1 upon cos x, cos square x is sec square x dx. And 2 sin x cos x, students, this formula is sin 2x formula, so we will get here 1 upon sin 2x dx. And here we will put tan x equal to t. Okay, put tan t equal to tan x and differentiate both sides with respect to x. We will get dt equal to sec square x dx. Okay, so then I will be equal to here tan x is t, sec square x dx is dt, so we will get dt t dt and plus 2 integration of cosec what 2x dx. Then students, t integration is t square by 2 and plus 2 log cosec x integration is cosec x minus cot x. Okay, but by chain rule we will differentiate 2x downside and we will get one more 2, and this 2 will cut, and t value is here we have taken tan x, so answer will be tan square x upon 2 plus log cosec 2x minus cot 2x mod plus c. Students, after this we will do tan square x upon 2 cosec x, we can write 1 upon sin 2x. Okay students, and then cot 2x we can write cos 2x upon sin 2x. Okay, now sin 2x will be LCM, and upside we will get what, log 1 minus cos 2x. And students, cos 2x I am writing here 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, and downside sin 2x will be LCM, and sin 2x we can write 2 sin x cos x. Okay, after this 1 will cancel and minus minus will become plus, and we will get tan square by 2 plus log, and here 2 sin x cos x, and 1 will cancel and plus 2 sin square x, and sin upon cos is tan x. So our final answer will be tan square x by 2 plus log tan x plus c. So this is our final answer. Question number 20, I is equal to cos 2x, and students, here cos 2x we will use formula cos square x minus sin square x. Okay students, and after this student, we will use a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b, and then a plus b. Okay students, a plus b, and downside we have cos x plus sin x and multiply by cos x plus sin x, and this will cancel each other, and then students, cos x plus sin x value we will put equal to t, and differentiate both sides. We will get what, with respect to x, students, we have to differentiate, and cos x differentiation is minus sin x, and sin x differentiation is cos x. So this integration is becoming small, cos x minus sin x dx value equals to dt. So I will become equals to cos x minus sin x dx is equals to dt, and cos x plus sin x is equals to t. So our answer is log t plus c, and t value is cos x plus sin x and plus c. So this is our final answer. Next question, students. Question number 21. I is equal to sine inverse cos x. Okay, we have to cut this sine inverse. So cos x we can write sine pi by 2 minus cos sine pi by 2 minus x, sorry, and then sine inverse and sine will cancel each other, and pi by 2 minus x we will get, and pi by 2 can come outside, and minus x dx, and then dx integration is x, so pi x by 2 we will get, and minus x square by 2 plus c. This is our final answer. Next question, question number 22, sorry, and here we will multiply and divide by sine a minus b, students. Okay, and 1 upon sine a minus b we can write here a minus b, and here sine a minus b, and downside it will remain as it is, cos x minus a and cos x minus b. Okay, now we have to do here some tricks we have to use, that we will add b and subtract b. Okay, students, we will add x and subtract also x, and dx upon cos x minus a and cos x minus b. Now we will do here, we will make one angle sine, we can write sine x by b, x by x minus b we will write separately, and minus we will take from this x, we will take minus common, this x will become positive and a will become negative, because a was positive firstly, and now we have taken minus common, so a will become here negative. Okay, students, this step is very important to remember. So after this we will use this formula, students, sine a minus b. Sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, so let's apply here. What we will get, sine a minus b is sine a is what, x minus b, and b is x minus a, so cos b, and then minus cos a is x minus b, and b is what, sine b will come, and b is x minus a. Okay, students, and in denominator it will remain as it is, cos x minus a cos x minus b. Okay, now we will distribute this denominator to each term of the numerator. So this cos x minus a will remain as it is, and here some mistake happened, student. Here I have written both similar, so here a will come. Okay, so this will cancel with this, and sine x by x minus b upon cos x minus b is what, students? Sine upon cos is tan. Okay, so sine a minus b, and we will get here tan x by x minus b dx, and here cos x minus b will cancel with this, and sine x minus a upon cos x minus a is equal to tan x minus a. Okay, and here we have to apply another formula, that is what, tan x integration. Tan x integration is log sec x. Okay, log sec a. Okay, here x is x minus b, then log x minus a. Then students, we have to apply log a minus log b formula. Log a minus log b formula is log a upon b. Okay students, log a upon log a upon b it will become, and then plus c. Okay, then what we have to do, sec is 1 upon cos. Okay, so our final answer will be in terms of cos. If we want to write, then it will become log cos x minus a will go upside and cos x minus b will come downside, then whole mod and plus c. This is our final answer. This 1 upon sine a minus b log cos x minus a upon cos x minus b. Next question is question number 23. Here numerator will distribute with both, and this sine square x will cancel with this, and we will get here 1 by cos square x dx. Okay, and this will cancel with this, and we will get here 1 by sine square x dx. Okay, and 1 upon cos square x is sec square x dx, and minus 1 upon sine square x is equal to cosec square x dx, and sec square x dx indication is tan x, and cosec square x indication is minus cot x plus c. Minus minus will become plus, so tan x plus cot x plus c. This is our final answer. Next question is question number 24. I is equal to ex. Here what we will do, students, here we will take what ex 1 plus x is. This is our question. Okay, here which is inside the cos ex into x, we will take this thing equals to t. Okay, e to the power x equal to t. Okay, now differentiate both sides with respect to x, dt by dx, and here we will use product rule. Ex differentiation is ex x, and plus x differentiation is 1 into ex. Okay, and from here you will take ex common, then 1 plus x will come, and dt by dx equals to dt. So we get ex plus 1 plus x dx equal to dt. So we will put in I, so this I will become now short I dt, I equals to dt upon cos square t, and cos square t is sec square t dt, and sec square indication is tan t dt, tan t plus c, sorry, and t value is e to the power x plus c. This is, students, if you like my video, you can share and subscribe and see my upcoming videos. Thank you.